I found this story, this experiment so powerful that it has influenced me ever since I first read about it on the internet. So it's based on this scientist by the name of Dr. Richter, who got a wild rat, a group of wild rats, and he would place them in buckets of water, and then he would time how long it would take before these rats would give up and drown. And so what he would do was he'd put the rat in the water and he would time it. So most of the rats lasted an average of 15 minutes before they gave up and started to drown. At this point, he would reach in and pick up the rat and bring it out, right? He would dry it off, pet it, take care of it, let it recover. And then, here's the crazy part, he would then put the rats back into the water and see how long they'd be able to tread water this time. All right, so here's the question. How long do you think those rats were able to tread water the second time? Because the first time was 15 minutes. So what do you think, another 15 minutes? Maybe less because they're probably tired now, right? Maybe a little bit more? No. The rescued rats swam longer than 15 minutes. In fact, they swam for nearly 60 hours. Think about that, 60 hours. How insane is that? And then you have to ask yourself, why were these rats able to suddenly swim, tread water for 60 hours in this bucket of water? Because something has changed. They now had hope. They knew at any minute that scientist was going to reach in and pick them up and dry them off. They knew they had something to hope for, so they had hope. And because they had this hope, they were able to swim for 60 hours. Compare that to the 15 minutes in the first experiment when they had no hope. They thought they were just being put in there to drown and die. But now here they are with hope, filled with hope. And now they're able to tread the water for over 60 hours. So I know for a lot of us in our days, we may feel like that, the rats in the first experiment, well, every day we're just trying to tread that water, right? We're just trying to, keep going. We're just like, how long can I last? How long can I last? And some give up and start to drown. But if you have hope that any moment you are going to be saved, by the Creator, by the higher power, or whatever it is you happen to call it, how long can you last now? And I want you to remember that in your day-to-day life today, and as we go on into the weeks and months ahead, is always remember those rats in that bucket of water. If you have hope, who knows how long you can swim, right? So hold on to that hope, hold on to that story, and I hope that helps you here today, or at the very least, gives you something to think about. So until next time, you've been listening to Bry Harden 360.